Prescott Valley Car Accident Chiropractor.
Welcome to this video demonstration of whiplash. Whiplash, also known as cervical acceleration-deceleration syndrome, can be described in 4 phases. In phase 1, the seat impacts the torso. Then the head position increases vertically and an abnormal S-curve develops in the cervical spine. In phase 2, the neck hyperextends and the head strikes the seat. This causes injury to the tissues at the front of the neck. Phase 3 occurs when the passenger moves forward, rebounding from the seat, followed by forward acceleration of the head. In the final phase, the seatbelt restrains the torso. The head, however, continues forward, forcing the neck into hyperflection. This injures the tissues at the back of the neck and is widely considered the most damaging phase. If you've experienced whiplash, you should begin treatment immediately. Call our office today for consultation and diagnosis.
Prescott Valley Car Accident Chiropractor. Call now 928-440-8004.